What are inspection rules and how to work with? First of all, you may set inspection rules under the WF-RepTool Access users. You will set general rules on warnings regarding the completeness of reports. Setting inspection rules is one part of the administration of the WF-RepTool. At the page Inspection Rules, you will find pre-chosen questions on the completeness of reports. There will be additional warnings which you do not have to choose, for example, if the total weight of first fractions is not 100% compared to the input weight, or if no choice of the use of the component in the final technology has been done. The warnings here under inspection rules are grouped to topics like acceptors and treatment technologies for fractions, warnings on tasks, or on deleted entries. A presetting of requested warnings has been done. You may change this presetting based on your wishes and needs. Consider the choice of more warnings makes the list of inspection warnings for each report longer, but it will help you to find missing data, especially if you need the name of the acceptor, a registered listed acceptor, and or the country or market region for fractions not classified as hazardous waste will depend on the requirements of your national authority. The warning national classification is different from model classification is more for you or the controller, a hint that you or he/she shall check if correct.